Here's a quick look at FaceDrop, which is an augmented reality app for iOS. Now, FaceDrop is an app for taking selfies, but instead of actually capturing your face, you're instead placing a copy of your face in the world here using augmented reality. So when I go and I tap the photo button, you can see it's placed this 3D model of my face in the world, and I can just go and place multiple copies of my face. So let's go place a few copies over like this. You can see how they're remaining in the place where I put them thanks to augmented reality. So you can just go and place as many copies of your face as you want here. Now, FaceDrop also features some alternative capture modes that are even more fun. So let's go to toss mode here. And in toss mode, instead of placing a copy of my face, I'm instead going to launch it outwards and kind of throw it at whatever I'm looking at. So here I can go and just toss my face outwards, and you can see that it's actually going to realistically bounce off of solid objects here. So this does require a device with a LiDAR sensor, but you can see how it's going and bouncing off of the statue, for example, here. I can kind of make it a fun little game here to actually try to get it into the hoop here. Just throw my face at whatever I think is interesting. Now, another alternative capture mode is drop mode. And in drop mode, I'm again going to be placing my face in the world, but instead, after a few seconds, it's going to fall to the ground. So I'm going to tap and hold the shutter button here, create a few copies of my face, just do a nice swirl like this. And you can see that now the faces that I placed are going to fall to the ground after a few seconds. And again, it's going to use that LiDAR data to make sure that they realistically interact with the surface here. So I can just go and place these faces, and then they'll fall to the ground. And once they fall to the ground, I can even go and toss my face at them here. I can toss my face up into the sky with toss mode. So there's all sorts of fun things that you can do. Once you have a image that you've created that you like using your face here, you can tap the photo button here, and that will capture an image. And I can go and make this a square image, for example, save it to my photo album or share it on social media. And I can also capture short videos as well. So FaceDrop is available in the App Store for free. It runs on pretty much all iOS devices, but to get the fun physical interaction where you can go and toss your face at things, you do need a device with a LiDAR sensor. But again, it does run on all iOS devices. And I think it's a kind of a fun take on the selfie. So give FaceDrop a try and be sure to share anything fun you create using it. Thanks.